AYANEO has released the first teaser for the AYANEO Pocket Play, marking the company's entry into the smartphone market. This device represents a modern interpretation of gaming-focused smartphones with physical controls, drawing conceptual parallels to devices like the Xperia Play. The teaser video showcases the Pocket Play from multiple angles, revealing a sliding design mechanism. The device features a screen that slides upward to reveal hidden gaming controls beneath. This sliding design approach is notable in the current smartphone landscape, where most devices utilize flat touchscreen-only interfaces. The construction is expected to incorporate aluminum and glass materials, consistent with AYANEO's established design philosophy across their product line. Once the screen is slid up, the device reveals a comprehensive set of gaming inputs, including an ABXY button layout, a digital directional pad, and start and select buttons. Beyond these primary controls, the Pocket Play incorporates what AYANEO calls Dual Mode Smart Touchpad technology. These two built-in touchpads can operate in dual modes as either virtual joysticks or trackpads. This technology appears similar to touchpad implementations used in other AYANEO devices, specifically the Pocket DMG and the announced Pocket Vert. The device includes several supplementary buttons as well. There is AYANEO's patented button on the right side, and a distinctive red button positioned on the left side between the directional pad and touchpad. The function of this red button has not been disclosed, though its distinct color suggests it may serve a specific purpose beyond pure aesthetics. Based on the teaser footage, the rear of the device features camera modules. However, expectations suggest the camera system may not compete with flagship devices from manufacturers like Samsung or Apple's iPhone line. Several critical details remain undisclosed at this time. Complete technical specifications have not been revealed, nor has pricing information, regional availability, or an official release date been announced. The full functionality of certain buttons, particularly the red button mentioned earlier, also remains unclear. The device is positioned for a 2025-2026 release window. AYANEO has indicated plans to conduct multiple 4-hour live streams on YouTube to provide additional information about the product as the launch approaches.